But you know, Trupti, I want to ask you this specifically. Do you feel that at any given point in time when you're picking roles for yourself, where you're making bold choices, making bold decisions in terms of the characters that you're picking, and you're taking, like, I don't know, risks, right? How often do you feel like see yourself fighting for those roles, and how often do you feel that these come to you more naturally?
I think for me, when it comes to characters, I go with my gut. Yeah, I mean, I've always followed that from the very first day. If something, when I sit for a narration, and briefing, and if I feel like, okay, this is something that I connect with, and this is something that I would love to explore, I just go for it. I don't think too much. That's what happened in Dharak 2's case also. I had the narration and I was like, wow, this is a story that I would want to be a part of. Fair, I don't think about ki, arey, iska kya hoga, whether it will be a hit film or a flop film, or whether it'll, a lot of people will watch it or not watch it. I think all of these things I keep out of the window, because I feel like if I pick characters basis, कि मुझे कितना मजा आ रहा है करने में, I think then only I'll be able to play them with full honesty, and I'll be 100% true to the character. And I think that is something that I try to follow every time. But it is, I think whatever you're doing it with full conviction and giving it your all is what we are here for. And this is why we became actors. This is why I chose this profession, because I wanted to. And it's such a interesting thing, I keep saying this, that we are so lucky that in one lifetime we get to play so many, we get to live so many lives.
Yeah.
किसी और का pain आप accept कर रहे हो, किसी और का joy you're accepting, and it's such a beautiful feeling. You get a different perspective.
Right.
And to do it with full honesty is that's the least as actors we can do.
Sure.
So I think bold choices lena is very important for me, because I also don't want to be someone who's, in her comfort zone, because I know what my comfort zone is. I love drama. I just love it. मुझे बहुत मजा आता है करने में, and I know that I can. दोनों जगह यार, दोनों जगह.
Nice. Okay.
क्यों ड्रामा करना मेरा हक है.
बिल्कुल हक है.
True that.
But I don't want to be just doing that, because I know that if I keep doing that, there won't be any growth for me as an actor. So it's very important that I step out of that comfort zone and pick roles that throw me off. That जब मैं script read करूँ तो मुझे लगे, oh, how am I going to do this?
Yeah.
And I think that happens with comedy, with action. Every time I read, I'm like, oh God, how am I going to perform this scene when it's, on the day of the shoot? And I think that's when I say, okay, I have to do this. But it may work, it may not work, but at least I'll try.